Former Minister H.D. Revanna has been detained by SIT officials following the rejection of his anticipatory bail plea in a kidnapping case. His son, Prajwal Revanna, is facing multiple charges of sexual abuse. Revanna was apprehended at the residence of former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda in Bangalore by the SIT officers. The incident came to light due to a complaint filed by the victim's son at KR Nagar police station in Bengaluru regarding the abduction. An FIR was subsequently lodged. Just hours ago, the victim was rescued from a farmhouse belonging to one of Revanna's relatives. The victim is en route to Bengaluru. The investigation is ongoing. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.